Hello friend, in this video we will learn how we can set up routing manually using a router module and outlet, how to add routes to our component to the router configuration, and how to use the redirect to property to redirect user to a different routes. We will also see the difference between the prefix and full matching strategy and how to use router link directive to create navigation links. Before that, we are going to create three we're going to create three components. First one is that first we'll create one folder in the inside app. We're going to create one folder. It will be dashboard. Inside of dashboard, we are going to create a component, that is ng, G for generate, C for component. First will be the home component, then add true, and that's spec. I don't want to see the testing file. I don't want to use that as a testing file, so I'm going to make it false. See, if you will open this one dashboard, then you can see only that three files: CSS, HTML, and TS. You cannot see that dot specification file. Next one, and also you cannot see in a folder, because once you are not going to use that dash flat, then you will see that folder. Then second one will be the contact, and third one will be about. It's already created. Now open that app routing module. So here I'm going to write that path. If it's a blank, then a redirect to home, then path match will be full. Here we used a combination of the path and redirect to properties to create a route. The path property takes a string that represents the route segment that we need to match, and redirect to property takes another path where the router should redirect the user. So here that one, if you will write like abc.com, so that it's a blank because there is a no path, so it will be redirect to the home component. So next one, you have to write like a path. If it's a home, then component will be home component. Next, if its path will be about, then it will be a redirect to about component. If its path will be contact, then it will go to the contact component. One more component need to add, that will be the page not found. So it will be if path will be the, so if it is not found, means like if it not exist that one home or contact about, if I want to try to add that employee or something, some specific characters which is not exist in the path, so that times it will redirect to the page not found component. Now open that app component.html. Just delete this code. So router outlet actually here is that container. They are the all those component file we will be add here. So I'm going to use that link. That here will become router link. Then next, it will be home. Right here home. Same, copy this one. If a router link will be contact, so this one will be the contact. Then third one will be the about. Okay, there's three: home, contact, about. We have created these three: about, contact, and home. Just save and run the application. Here write ng serve open. Now here you can see that 3 is there: home, contact, and need to change this text, about. Save. Check. Now here this home component, but it's redirecting to home component. If you will write like that, that's why I'm saying if a path is a blank, because this time it's a blank. Once you will enter that, it will redirect to the home component, because here we have mentioned that if it's a blank, then it's redirect to that home component. So once you will click on a contact, it will go to the contact. If you click about, it will. I need to check that about. There is a problem in about. So small. About, contact, home. Okay, if you will write like some which path which is not exist is or not valid, so once you press, it will be go to the page not found. It will redirect to the page not found. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.